Yo. That was a weird way to start the intro, but as you did not expect, hello. Yes, right here, as you can see, yeah, you can see my home screen. I have lemon lime, yeah, of course I've got the Gatorade, and I got Dr. Pepper. I only got like a little bit left, but we're just so what we did an old horror game, but changed all the sound, but changed the sound effects, which I basically did. I hope this is gonna be the title of the video, of course. I already finished that up. That was good. Only finished it in one day. But at least, you know, I might be able to, like, woo! These kind of things are open, hard to open. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, tried opening that, it couldn't even open. My mom couldn't even open either. It's the most impossible thing to open. I don't know, it's the most impossible thing. Comment down below if you actually think this is actually the most hardest thing to open. What is these buttons on top? I have no idea. Oh, what? Yeah, just please comment down below if it is actually hard to open. Okay, let's play this old horror game we used to play, and we're replacing it with sounds, of course. Come on. We should hear it. Huh. It's interesting, we don't hear the music. Huh, where's the music at? Hold on. Can I just close down? I'm gonna close down Google. Sorry, Google, I'm closing you down. Cause I don't wanna make my computer lag, of course. Wow. It didn't even put the music in the intro screen. Really? Hey! Hey! Da 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 da. Hey! Look at this! It's a jam! Oh yes! Yes! Wait, where am I? You're in a freaking... Okay, so here we are. We're in the hospital, and this is the music right here. I don't know if you can hear me, but if you want to get this game, I'm gonna put it in. I have to escape. Nope. Well, no, I want to stay here to hear this music. I already played some songs. If you want to play the music version, if you want to play it for yourself, go to the description below and then show me your gameplay to this to see actually if it was fun. Yeah, we can still move it. Look at this. Look at this. I'm big strongy. Look at me. This is a epic pogger moment, guys. This is pogger, man. I gotta jump on it. Look at me. I'm super jump, guys. I'm super jumping like in Minecraft, guys. Look, Freddy Fazbear can do that too. Wait, can Freddy Fazbear actually do it? Yeah. Open Sesame. Yes, Open Sesame. Oh, my music. No, back in here. Yes. Yeah. I like this room. Man, let me go in here. What are you? Hey, look at that. You crouching. You just died for taking a shit. Yeah, look at you. Yeah, look at you. I've seen you before. Yeah, you fake skeleton. Look at you. You think you're strong? Yeah, you're not. Look at you, Scoot. You're so weak. Bah! What the hell? That dude. You look like you got buried alive. Woo! Burn, guys. Look at that. He got burned. Let's squat on him. Let's shit on him. Yeah, not really. What? Ah, you're too lazy. You were too lazy to. Okay, finally. Wow, the sound doors are delayed. Guys, the sound doors are delayed. I repeat, the sound doors are delayed. That's locked, of course. Okay, here we go. Here we have here. Yep. best sound yet. Hold on, I wanna hear all this.
You just got rickrolled.
Yes! I got rickrolled. Of course, this is the worst room ever. I got rickrolled. I thought it was a key in here. Look at you. Look at your fake head. You're screaming. You screamed and you're in a soil. You turn to soil now. Look at you. Haha. Cringe. Get out of here. Cringe. Get out of here. I don't know why. Oh, another skeleton. Then I saw you over there.
I'm gonna do some ASMR.
Oh, God. Yeah, you know, you can hear all these sounds in this terrible. But yeah. When you first get in the room, you hear a coffin sound. Amazing. Dead mannequin. Ooh, I'm gonna get a drink. You're not gonna worry about that. Okay, here we have
Doing your mom. Do it.
Oh, yes!
Doing your mom. Do it.
Yes, this is my favorite room.
Doing your mom.
Doing your mom. You know it's straight. Doing your mom. Doing your mom, 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 doing your mom. Ah, stuck. Ah, frick, I'm stuck. Ass. Whoa!
You know we straight doing your mom.
Whoa! He went super, guys. He went supersonic, guys. Look, when you collect keys, you say ass. Look at this. There's a dead guy. Where's his? Yo, where's your shoes at? Oh, there's your shoes. I was like, where's your legs at? No, actually, where's your arms, dude? Where's your arms? Are you even a real person? Your arms inside of there? Oh, god damn this guy. Well, he probably fell down. Yeah, yeah. You went sliding down there. You went supersonic, dude. You gotta go fast, man. That's what he did.
Fuck you, bitch.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, me. And yeah, you get to this room, and then, wait. Can I do the glitch? I want to do a glitch. Ah! No! You do not close on me. Ah, you motherfucker.
Chaos.
Jesus Christ, that scared the fuck out of me. And of course you get this. Oh my god, what did this do to this guy? That's not Poggers, dude. He was a great guy. Hey, dude. I feel bad for you. You commit suicide. I know your life is terrible. Yes. Yo, this is the best game ever. 10 out of 10. Best game. You want to play it? Right here. Ooh, look at all these dead mannequins.
Look at this. I can smell his breath. Ooh, yes.
Not because I'm gay. I'm not gay anything. No. Don't take that out of context, guys. Don't take that out of context. Big Sesame. Oh, Big Sesame. Ah, the music. Wait until you hear it. Wait until you hear it. Hold on. You wait until you hear this. Hold on. It's just freaking my young self crapping on a toilet. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Bag, where have you? Freaking one of them. Freaking left. Well, hello, Mr. Beanbag. Hello. Hello. Welcome back. You seem to be in a better world, aren't you? Yeah, I feel like a better world. Well, get the fuck. Well, take me with you, bitch. Why? Yeah, 'cause I said so. Take me with me. Okay. You've grown up so much. Yeah, I don't care, bitch. Go. What are you doing? That's the wrong way, man. Sorry. Dude, this is this way, dude. You want to go to the epic room? Go here. Okay, dude. What? Okay, Mr. Bag. Whatever you say, I'm gonna jump on you. No, don't. Ow! Jesus, you hurt me. I think I can't get you. Oh, you dumb fuck. You don't know how to get me anyways. Well, I guess I see you next time. No, you're still pushing me anyways. Motherfucker, you could have come with me, but no, you got me stuck. Motherfucker, you don't know how to do shit. I'm disappointed on you. Why? It's been 30 years, Manny, and you kicked me out of the map one time. You got me out of the map. I'm done with you. What? Yeah, I'm out of here. Sorry. I'm sorry if I bullied you. Bye-bye now. Thank you. No more role-playing, guys. I'm not going to do any role-playing anymore. Sorry. And then we reached Epic Room. Go ahead, dude. I have to leave without you. Sorry, be back. I gotta go. Yes! Yeah! Hell yeah!
You just got rickrolled.
Yeah, I got rickrolled, of course! This is the epic map, guys! Look! Dance! Hey, school, dance! School, just dance! This is the best music ever! This was made by New Designer. Credit goes to him. This is the epic music, guys! Ew! Somebody take a crack at the toilet. Ew! Pew! Yo, flush the toilet next time! School, what did I told you about flushing the toilet? Flush the toilet next time, dude! That's some good music, though.
Doing your mom, doing your mom.
Hey!
Doing your mom.
Yo, this sounds like a good mix.
Doing your mom. You know we straight doing
Yo,
your mom.
dance! Bob, doing your bomb. Doing your bob, doing your bob. Yo, this is some great music to put over it. Come on. Here we go. There's so much things over it! Yo, this is the epic map, guys. You know what? If you want an epic map, here you have it right here.
You just got
Rickrolled. I got Rickrolled, guys! Woo! Oh, there's nobody in there. Yeah, dumb. Ah, clean toilet. Yeah, nobody even pooped in the toilet. Good for you. Okay. Yeah, get out of the toilet, man. I don't want you to know. That's enough of crapping, dude. Dude, that's enough of crapping, dude. No, there's no time for you to take a crap. We got more to... Mother fricker, dude. Yeah, good job. Good job. What have you done? Let's try that again. Let's see if this will fix the glitch. Yo, best loading music. What? Did they fix the glitch? Hell yeah! Let's go. We did it, guys. Let's go. We fixed the glitch. See, if you always want to fix the glitch, yeah. See, that was a good thing. I just took a piss. That's all. Oh! Whoa! Gotta get you. Oh my god, I remember. Of course I put the cough in it. Ah yes, door locked, I remember that. Guys! Hey, if you want to hear the epic music, here you have right here. Oh god, there's more doors to deal with. Right? More doors! Can we even hear anything? We can't even hear anything now. Hey, but it's alright. At least we can do... It's me taking a crap. Ew! Ew! You took a crap. Ew! Disgusted. Don't shoot me, you butt. I know you just did that. Ew! Oh, not again. No! No! You're not doing that. No sir. No sir. Too late. Wow. Wait, what? Wow. Wow. Oh, well, the music's over now. It's alright. Ow. Ow. Wow. Wow. Yes, I love it. Here I am. Oh. Yes. And then you get reached to here. And then you see a guy walking past here. Here we go. Damn it! I did not put it. Damn it! The music's broken here. Oh, Fuck. Sorry, guys. The music broke over here. Wait, what? Why is the music? Hey! At least there was no music in the beginning. Hey, you wanna hear this? Yo! Hey! 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 Yo, this is a jam right here. Feel like someone's behind me. Don't care.
You just got rickrolled.
Yes, I did. This is the happy room. The happy room.
Open sesame.
Open sesame. Why, even though this is a scary place, this is a good place to stay at.
Yes.
Yes. Yo, guys, this is a good place, guys. This is the happy place. Yeah! I freaking love my young self taking a crap. Yo, at least it's a beat. Okay, what's over here? Nothing, okay. Wait, what's this? Wait, wasn't this the key for this? Yeah. Hell yeah, what? Yo, guys, dance! I love this music. Guys, this is a Pogger music, guys. This is the best game to put out no music. I don't know why it's a crappy game, but I did it like that. Oh yeah, Mr. Yeah, I remember about Mr. Wait, what am I gonna do? Wait, what happens if I jump on this? Whoa! I flipped it over. Whoa! Holy moly! Wow! 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 Guys! Oh god! I broke the game. No! No! Ah! Frick! Help! 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 I'm stuck to the... Damn it! I broke the game again. My favorite childhood musics. Well, of course, #1 rule is to not break the game. And I made it. Yeah, hold on. Let's try what happens if I do it again. I don't want to do that again. But what happens if I do it anyways? Hold on, let's try it again. Hold on. Oh god. I know what's gonna happen. Hold on. What? Oh, where did you go? You can't hide from me, dude. Whoa! What happened? What happened? Hold on, what about this? Can I awkward. Whoa! Yo, a lot of glitches in this game, huh? What happens if I do this? Okay, the chair just disappeared. I can just walk over there. Wow. That's a very Pogger moment. Hold on. Oh. What? Wait a minute. Hold on. Where did the stool go, anyways? Wow. Jeez. God damn it, that wow scared me. I thought it was the freaking days was gonna jump. Well, there's nothing at the door, of course. Yeah, the stool's gone. Probably just went out in the world like a complete idiot. A scary place, but a happy music. Doesn't fit at all, but fits anyways. Hey, put it out of the toilet. Yeah. Adios. I love that sound effect of ass. Yo, this is the best music to hear. You want to hear this music? You want to play this game? You have it right here. And was it this door?
Open sesame.
Open sesame. And yeah, it's this guy. Guy, no. Can you stop fapping? Guy, there's no time you can fap. Do not fap. There's no close. Ah, you close that behind me, you douche. There's no time to fap. Yo, damn, another chaos. Yeah, I don't know why. Hey, look at you. You look like a buff man. Yeah, look at you. You look like a good man. Can you explain about how buff you are? Look at you. You're so tall. Look at you. So buff. Look at that. Oh, now you have hands. Now you didn't have any hands before. You were over there. big and buff now. I learned ya. Yeah, now I'm gonna go into your body. Wow. And here he goes. Hey dude.
Open sesame.
Open sesame. Hey dude, what's up? Jesus Christ. Yo, what's up, dude? You wanna come outside? Yo, oh. Did I glitch the guy? Yo, what's up, dude? How's life? You enjoy life, dude? Come on. Oh, wait, am I going in your crotch? What the hell? Wait, can I glitch this dude? Can I glitch this dude? Hold on, I wanna glitch this dude. What you doing? Wait, you moving? Wait, is this guy moving? Wait, you can move this guy? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Ah, freaking caps lock. Wait a minute. Okay, you know what? Yeah. Wait, you can. He's glitching into the wall. Motherfucker, you're going into his anus. That's gay. That's kind of gay.
Alright, guys, it's kind of gay.
Fuck, I tried. Yeah, he's gonna be stuck there forever. Well, frick you anyways. But nice life, dude. Not that door. Wrong door. Hi, guy again. Hope you having a amazing life, dude. Or after if you are a patient or a doctor or whatever you are. Yeah, I don't really care. I don't really care at all. I don't care if you actually move there. I mean, a key for one of those cells. Yeah, that's pretty positive, dude. Hold on, let's do this. No. Hey, guess what? Before I do something bad. Yes. Before I do something bad. Whoa! Look at me. Look at it. Whoa! Oh god, what happens if I do this? I can't uncrouch. I think this is the best way to float. Yo, am I floated? Dude! Guys, I'm floated! Wait. Oh wait, no, I'm not. I thought I was floating. I was just saying like, oh yeah, guys, I'm floating. Never mind. Hold on. Gotta move. Hold on. I'm gonna. What do you wanna do? Wanna be pussy? Yeah. Oh, you were trying to run away from me? Nice try, dude. Time to get back down, dude. Hey, you guy. Yo, you wanna talk about this situation? No, you don't wanna get. Yo, hey, wanna talk about it? I know you wanna talk about us. Come on, dude. Don't be shy, dude. Come on. Move. Hey, calm down, dude. I know you wanna talk about your shit. Oh, okay. Where are you going, dude? I'm gonna mess with this chair for like a few minutes now. Oh, it's standing perfectly. No, let me sit down there. Whoa! I broke the chair! You okay? Yo, you having a stroke, dude? Oh no. I'm on top of the lockers. Whoa! I'm on top of the map! Guys, I'm on top of the map! Whoa! Guys, I broke the map! Whoa! It's cool, dude. Whoa! Look at this! Look how they made this map! Wow! Dude, wow. Look at this. Look how they make this. Look, we can see the futures about this. Look, we're going all the way. Wait a minute. Where does this lead to? Okay. Whoa, what is this? A secret path? Guys, I've never known about this. Where does this lead to? Where in God's name did this is gonna lead to? Well, let's just see. I think this must be the exit. What? That's it? That's it? There's was whole lie. It was a whole lie. What? Ah, this is bullcrap, guys. You see this? Look at, ow! Look at this! Ow! Look at me! I'm getting hurt! Oh God! Look. Okay, let's get into the door. Let's get into the door. No! 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 Get inside the door, guys. I'm breaking the map. No! Ah! Happy end, but I didn't complete it. I did not complete the game. I did not complete the game. We were finished. We didn't even hear the whole sounds. Guys, we die and get a happy ending. Oh wait, this was leads us back to the roof. Hey, that. Or does it just fall down the roof? What? I broke it. I broke it! Wow! Mimi. This is 2013. Weenie, yay! Who cares? Well, it crashed, but at least this right here. Yep, this explains how am I stuck again? Yo, I'm back in the roof again. Yeah, I thought it was gonna take me back, but no. There's no possible way you can get back. What is real? What the hell? Hard, guys, hard. What we're gonna do is we're gonna something ways. Look, if you fall out of the world, you die. Look, there's an invisible wall right here. What? And there's another invisible wall. Wow, guys, this is so fake. This is a fake what? What is that? What is that? What even the hell is that? Guys, what is that? Whoa! Let's try that again with no interruptions. Yeah, we're not gonna bother the chair anymore. Yeah, because I'm gonna get jump scared in any second. Just watch. 3, 2, 1, I got boom!
Gotcha, bitch.
Gotcha, bitch! Ow, ow, ow! I remember I put that. It's over. And then we get back to the epic room. Hey! Guys, dance! The jam. I don't know why I went to that before. Pause. Now you see here? Wow! Yes, it's the beat. What? What? Oh, I already passed it. Wait, what? Wait. Oh! I didn't get the keys. Don't be stupid, me. I didn't get the keys. Don't be stupid. Wrong way, idiot. Wrong way, idiot. That's not the right way. This is the right way. Get the keys. Oh, yes, there you go. Now get the keys. I'm not gonna get jump scared again, right? Or else I'm gonna kick your ass. Wow. Thank you. Wow. Really? Okay, now we got the keys, for real. Thank God! Woo! Poggers moment! Whoa, I teleported! That's cursed now. No, that's cursed. I'm not getting out of the toilet. Teleport the heads! No, teleport the heads. Now we just... Oh, I almost freaking put that out of the world. Oh, yeah, you thought? Yeah, you thought. No. We're not overwriting a freaking part where we just saved out of the world. What happens if we... Nah, hold on. What happens if I keep glitching out of the world? No, let's sit on the... Wait, let's... What happens if we get inside the toilet? Well, that leads to the cause of to get out of the world. And then I'm dead. And then... Yeah, remember the time where I used to get out of the world and freaking... Wait, was it Steve's office? Steve's office something. I don't know. Something Steve's office something. I don't know. Oh God, teleport guy. What? Look at you. You got a nice, nice dick. Right, let me just do that. That was weird. That was weird. Never doing that again. God damn it, light bulb. Guys, God damn it, light bulb. I'm mad. Huh. Hand. No. Hand. I want hand. I know what's gonna happen. I'm sorry if it's so long, and I know what's gonna happen in this part. Now I know what's gonna happen here. Eyeball part. Open sesame. Open sesame.
What the hell is this?
I don't know. Look at this. What is this? Yeah, look at you. Look at this. You're so skinny, dude. Ha! You're so skinny. Ha! You're so skinny. Yo, what? That guy was just dying of some crap. Yo, these guys are dying. Uh-oh. 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 The boss is coming up. Woo! Why is that still going on? Oh God!
Come here, boy. Come here. I'ma get you, boy.
No!
I'ma get you.
No! No!
Come here, boy.
No!
I'ma get you.
No! Whoa! 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 Oh God! Here we go! Here we go! Oh God! Oh God!
Not yet.
Oh no! Oh! 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 That is scary! Oh my God! Oh God! Whoa! Ow! 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 Whoa! 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 Ah, there he goes. I know! This is a trick! This leads to nowhere! Guys, this is nowhere! You don't go! Why is the boss still going on? I don't know. It's still going on. Yeah, at least it's a jam though. Hey! Fake door! No. That's not right. I see the exit. That's not the exit. I need to return to my wife and my child. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, wait. Is there a spot?
Gotcha, bitch.
Gotcha, bitch! God damn it. Oh yeah, that's right, there was like a red line. You know what? We're not gonna fall down in that pit. You know that pit? Guys, you know what we're gonna do? Let's believe me, that's not the exit. And I'll prove it to you. Because we knew it all along. Me, big brain, knew. Actually knew. And I'm a big brain. Me, big brain, know that actually that's not the exit. I'm telling you. Alright, let's jump. No, 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 jump. And guys, guess what? It crashed. Motherfricker. Okay, we are not gonna miss the jump. Where's the fall at? Hold on. Wherever it is, tell me the God's name where it is. Dude. Where? Do you see it? Do you see it? It may be that. I bet it is. Okay, no. Wait. If that is... Oh! We just fall into the... You are such a douche, man. I'm never gonna get past that jump. I hate you. I hate you, dude. Ah. Wow, what have I done? Look at me, I went out of the game. Like a complete idiot, dude. Here we go. 3. There's no way. Last chance. I swear to God, this is the last chance. Last chance. Ready. Freaking let's go. 3, 2, 1. A kaboom! There is no way. There is no way. Done. I'm done. There is no way to complete that. I'm done. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody enjoy and like this video. Enjoy your time. Goodbye, everybody.